perform a fresh install of Windows 10, you will need to follow these steps. Back up your important data. Before proceeding with a fresh install, it is essential to back up all your important files and data to an external storage device or cloud-based storage service. Create a Windows 10 installation media. You can create a bootable USB flash drive or DVD by downloading the Windows 10 Media Creation tool from Microsoft's website. Follow the on-screen instructions to create the installation media. Insert the installation media and restart your computer. Once you have created the installation media, insert it into your computer's USB port or DVD drive and restart your computer. Boot from the installation media. During the restart process, you need to access the BIOS or boot menu to set your computer to boot from the installation media. The process to access the BIOS or boot menu varies depending on your computer manufacturer, so refer to the manufacturer's instructions. Install Windows 10. Once you have successfully booted from the installation media, follow the on-screen instructions to install Windows 10. You will be prompted to select the language, time and currency format, and keyboard or input method. Enter the product key. During the installation process, you will be prompted to enter the Windows 10 product key. If you do not have a product key, you can skip this step and enter it later. Create a user account. After Windows 10 has been installed, you need to create a user account with a username and password. Install device drivers and updates. Once you have created a user account, you need to install device drivers and Windows updates to ensure that your computer's hardware and software are working correctly. That's it. Following these steps will help you perform a fresh install of Windows 10 on your computer.